In this video, we will learn how to edit a message that has already been uploaded to the BapCaster service. You may need to do that if you accidentally typed in an incorrect title or book of the Bible that the message was preached from. Also, if you put in the wrong date, this would be helpful as well. So let's go check out the messages page real quick and see if we have messed up any of the titles of the messages. We can see that there is a message available right here, which says remembering the reason for the season. This is supposed to be the word the, so we're going to go ahead and correct that for our church. One thing to take note of is if you see a church that has the incorrect title, you're not able to edit this message unless it was posted by the organization that you were a manager for. In this case, I am a manager for the Faith Promise Baptist Church organization, so I do have the sufficient rights to update it. So let's go ahead and update that now. We can do that by logging into BapCaster by selecting the login button in the footer. So let's go ahead and select that. And then we can sign into BapCaster by putting in the username and password for our account. I will go ahead and do that now, and then select login. So now we are on the dashboard and we can actually take care of this. So we can see we have various modules for our church's information, as well as some functions that we can do for our organization. We've already uploaded the message, so we are going to select edit a message where the message already exists. So, if you're like our organization, we have quite a few messages. So, if it was a most recent message, usually your message will appear at the top. But in the case of this message group, we have multiple, and it is an older message. So, we're going to go ahead and type in the search bar the message that we're looking for. And there is our message. So, we can now select the Edit Message button to perform our changes. So now we can see a form that looks very similar to the upload message form that we looked at previously. But in this case, all of the data for the message has automatically been populated into all of the boxes. So we can see our mistake here, which is for the, and we will remove the E, so it says remembering the reason for the season. And I can also see that the verse is also incorrect. This is supposed to be verse 14 for our message. This might differ for you, unless you already have it correct, but then it would be normally correct. So we'll go ahead and type in 14, and everything here looks good. So we are going to then select Update, and we can see we have received no errors, so we have successfully updated it. Let's go ahead and check the messages page just to verify that it has been updated. We can do that by selecting Messages in the BapCaster header. And now we will search for our message. And there it is, remembering the reason for the season. We can see that now the verse is correct. And we can also see that the title is correct as well. And all of the data that was originally there is also remaining correct as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this helped, and we'll see you in the next one.